Struggling to get a credit card because you have a limited credit history, or maybe you're trying to rebuild your credit and don't want the risk of a traditional card. The Chime Credit Builder Card might be the solution you're looking for, but how exactly does it work? Unlike a standard credit card, the Chime Credit Builder is a secured card, but it has some unique features that set it apart. The main idea is that you're using your own money to build credit. First, you need a Chime checking account with a qualifying direct deposit. Once you have that, you move money from your Chime checking account into your credit builder's secured account. This money then becomes your spending limit. The brilliant part is that you can't spend more than what you put into the secured account, which means there's zero risk of getting into debt. Chime then reports your on-time payments to all three major credit bureaus, Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. This consistent, positive payment history is what builds your credit score over time. One of the best features is the safer credit building option. When you turn this on, Chime automatically uses the money in your secured account to pay off your card balance every month, so you never have to worry about a missed payment. There are also no annual fees, no interest, and no credit check to apply. It's a low-risk, easy-to-manage way to start your credit building journey. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.